Hi everyone, Mark Williams, Service Manager, Sunset Cadillac here at Venice. Today I want to give you 10 reasons why you should service your car with us here at Sunset Cadillac. There are a lot more reasons than 10, obviously. We're pretty proud of the job that I'm very proud of the job that our technicians do for our business as well as for our customers. And what we do, all of our staff here does both in sales and service and body shop to take care of our customers' needs. Briefly, we boiled down 10 things that we felt were important bragging points for us over other places you could take your vehicle in town. One would be our factory trained technicians. You hear a lot about ASE technicians and our technicians are this, our technicians that. There are a lot of very good training programs out there for technicians. Our guys are specifically trained by General Motors to work on GM vehicles, specifically Cadillac vehicles. There are a lot of vehicles out there today, folks, and it's difficult to work on one brand, let alone multiple brands. So kudos to some of the shops out there that are able to work on multiple types of vehicles. But to get into the high-tech specifics of some of our new vehicles today, it really requires a lot of training. And our techs spend 40 to 80 hours a year in technical training. Unbeatable customer service. We pride ourselves on high quality, customer-centered customer service. For those of you who have done business with us in the past, you know that. Those of you who haven't, we would love for you to come in and give us an opportunity. Our techs have readily available access to information that outside shops don't necessarily have. Service bulletins, upcoming things as far as repair fixes for certain things that they're seeing at other areas in the country in regard to specific vehicles. So that helps us speed up the repair process. Competitive pricing and value. We've got competitive pricing. Some of our services, oil changes and such, are just as competitive as some of the small shops here in town. And as far as value, we're putting factory parts back on your car, which there's a lot to be said for that. As far as warranty, speaking of parts, we offer a 24-month unlimited mileage warranty on any parts we replace. Some of our parts even come with a lifetime warranty. Comfort and convenience. While we're here, we've got a comfortable environment. We've got goodies there, bakeries, bakery items, pastries, coffee, tea. Anything we can. We've got Wi-Fi here. We've got a very comfortable lounge, and it's a good environment. While you do have to wait, a choice of beverages, whatever we can do to make your wait time pass by quicker and more comfortable. Again, original equipment parts. We pride ourselves on using original equipment parts unless somebody asks otherwise. We're going to make sure that you get the GM parts back in your car. The warranty. We honor most aftermarket service warranties. If you buy service agreements from other dealers or outside sources, we honor most of those. We're able to call in, get the claim paid so that you're able to not have to pay the money out and get reimbursed. We'll bill them directly in most cases. We do have our own fleet of loaner vehicles here for qualifying events and qualifying customers. They're subject to availability. We do our best to make sure that everybody's handled as we can in a timely manner on those. Service history. Another important part is with the computers, we're able to maintain the history of your vehicle, looking back versus someone who goes to multiple different places for different services, and then services end up getting repeated. Some things we do you can't see, fluid changes and such. So we want to make sure by having everything in the computer, we're able to know what was done, what needs to be done to file your history correctly. Sunset gives back. Our auto group prides themselves on being locally owned and operated. The owners of the Sunset Group are passionate about giving back to our community with many, many causes. You can see some of them if you log on to sunsetautogroup.com or Sunset Cadillac of Venice. There's a tab there that shows some of the causes that our group has donated to. They have generously donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to local charities. And again, if you want to read more about that, you can log on to our website and you'll see that. Thanks for your time today, folks. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to contact me, 941-497-5800. Mark Williams, Sunset Cadillac Service, thanking you.